This is set of tool we have, and for power users, we also have integrations. If you open our integration page, you can notice that we have shipped integration with Zapier and Make. Zapier and Make.com is like universal integrations, which allows you to connect any tool with any tool. And using Zapier and Make, you can set complicated systems. Like, for example, you get ASIN or UPC code in your Google Sheets or Airtable or like everywhere in the external database. And then once you like, input your ASIN in the list, you get automatically populated all the information from about the product with Seller Assistant. And for example, you have a list of UPCs, but you need to convert them to ASINs, and we do so with such integrations. Also, we can show you like historical information about products, right? Like on your Google Sheets, Airtable, everywhere you want. If you work with Airtables, we have some scripts which helps you to sync data. So power users love them. I know, like, a lot of users who have their own system built on Google Sheets or Airtable somewhere else, and they need like information about products right in their tool. And we help with that. We deliver this information right in your tools.
Oh, like what is power
So
user? What does it mean? Like who is a power
I,
user?
I
Is
mean,
like a
those users who try to build their own system. Like if you run your business, you try to build a workflow tool which support your business, right? To
yes.
make organize to get organized.